In this video, I'll show you how to send a PDF file in Gmail using your laptop. First, open your web browser. Go to Gmail. Click the Compose button in the top left corner. A new email window will open. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Type a subject in the Subject field. Write your message in the email body if needed. Now click the Attach Files paperclip icon at the bottom of the email window. File Explorer will open. Browse to the folder where your PDF file is saved. Select the PDF file. Click Open. Wait for the PDF file to finish uploading. Make sure the file appears below your email message. Finally, click the Send button. Your PDF file will be sent through Gmail.
That's it! This is how you can send a PDF file in Gmail using your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.